Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the latest updates for BitMine BMNR stock. And today is the 6th of October 2025. BitMine has just updated on their recent and latest holdings. They just announced today that the total ETH holdings now exceeds 2.83 million tokens, and their total crypto and cash holdings now stands at $13.4 billion. And this is just a week after they announced that they had 2.65 million tokens. So last week on 29th of September, their total valuation is at $11.6 billion, and just a week later, they have increased that valuation to $13.4 billion. So again, Bitmine is really increasing their ETH holdings at insane speed. Let's take a closer look at the press release over here. So Bitmine now owns more than 2% of the ETH token supply as it moves towards the alchemy of 5%. So when Bitmine holds less than 2%, I was adding quite a lot of BMNR stock because once it reaches 5%, I foresee the stock price of BMNR to be close to $100. And right now, as of today, 6 October 2025, 2345 hours, the share price of Bitmine is at about $61.37. If you want to see more accurately, we can take a closer look. So this is the BMNR stock chart on TradingView. So this is the exact price right now. So it's over $60 right now. I've accumulated most of my Bitmine shares at about the $40+ mark. And right now they are still a short way away from the alchemy of 5%. So over here, it states that the total Bitmine crypto plus the cash holdings plus their moonshots total $13.4 billion, and that includes 2.83 million ETH tokens and unencumbered cash of $456 million, as well as other crypto holdings, including their uh, small Bitcoin holdings. So this is the exact breakdown. Uh, 2,830,151 ETH tokens priced at 4.5K per ETH, 192 Bitcoin, 130 million stake in 8 core holdings, as well as an unencumbered cash of 456 million. So Bitmine retains the title as the number one ETH treasury and the second global treasury right behind MicroStrategy, which owns 640,000 Bitcoin valued at $79 billion. So if you look at the total valuation of Bitmine at 13.4 billion versus MicroStrategy at 79 billion, you notice that Bitmine is closing uh, very fast in terms of their accumulation of the capital market value. Just a few months ago, they are only like what, 6, 7, 8 billion dollars in total market cap, and right now they are holding over $13.4 billion of market cap. So this further confirms my view that Bitmine is a very high growth company, a very high growth stock, and it furthers my conviction. So what is my next move for BMNR stock? I'm gonna do the unthinkable. I'm going to liquidate some of my alti positions to add into Bitmine, and this is something that I've thought through very long, whether it is worth it to take this risk or not. But after thinking for a couple of days, I decided that I would want to do it. I feel that Bitmine is a once in a lifetime opportunity right now, sitting at current value and the current trajectory. They haven't yet reached the 5%, the alchemy of 5%. Right now it's over 2%. So there is still some runway and there's still some safety margin in my opinion. Even though the price right now $61 is pretty high right now. If I'm not wrong, the market cap is about 15 billion. We can take a look here. Um, Yeah, so basically, the MNAV is right now more than one, definitely. But I feel that right now it's really now or never. So we are at Q4 of 2025, and this is historically bullish for crypto, and I want to capitalize on this opportunity. So my next move would be to cut some of my ULTI position to rotate into BMNR to experience the explosive growth that I'm hoping by the end of this quarter. I have a price target for BMNR to reach close to $100, perhaps around 90, 80 plus to 90. I think that would be a reasonable target. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. But I've already decided that I would be adding more BMNR stock and building up more positions of this. So hope it all goes well. Nonetheless, remember everything I shared here is not financial advice. Always exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging the markets. With that, I'm gonna end off this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.